Good morning and welcome back to rainy and awful Cleveland, Ohio in Old School Studios. Pouring. What a treacherous ride to work. Treacherous.
Alarm off. Warning. Some of your sensors are not responding.
Of course.
Please see the keypad for details.
Alright. So today we're going to finish the shoe molding here downstairs, living room and dinette. And then I have a couple metal transition strips. Looks like I have enough for maybe 2 doorways. And this one for the top of the step. So without further ado, let's get started with that now. folks, all my shoe molding is in, it's shot down. We're gonna have to get these registers in, and I don't have any long bolts or screws. I mean, any long screws. I basically took my fasteners bucket out of my truck, so I only found 3 of those floor ones. I'm gonna cut this for the last step. See the profile of that? It'll cover at the top of the steps right here. But I don't have any of those nails. I'm gonna have to bring my stuff Monday. It's Friday. It's probably gonna be an early day. I'm whipped. Thank you for watching Old School Studios. Please hit like and subscribe. Have a good day.